It's my freaking birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. All right, all right. We're on our way out to brunch. Let's talk about the fit. This is really a shirt I was going to sleep in, but it's a tank, and it's probably from Walmart. These jean shorts are from Walmart. Yeah, I got the shorty shorts for y'all, and I got the mom shorts. Ankle bracelet by, I think that's by Pretty Little Things. White toes, always winter on vacation. White pedicure. This little necklace is by Pretty Little Thing. I said the tank. Earrings is by, I don't know, Walmart probably. And wig. Yes, wig. This is a cute little short bob number, California Beach. I'm already sweating, y'all. My phone had already run out of space. We gotta go get a card to put more stuff on for y'all. But anyway, happy birthday, Kay. You know I love me some K, y'all. I love me some K. Anyway, you see the food pies erupting. It don't matter because we're going to eat. And I got my coffee. Always number one, y'all. So I'm gonna get out of here. I just popped in to let y'all know about the fit, which is hardly nothing. It's hot. It don't matter. I look good regardless if I had on a trash bag. But I got on this. August 5th, baby. Leo's in the house. Let's go. It's just K1. I'm coming to you with the fit for, what is today? Saturday, August 6th. Also, happy birthday to my niece Tati. Leo's in the house. Anyway, the fit for today is this Simply Naturally Fly t-shirt. I got this off Etsy. That's it. These cotton black shorts come from JCPenney. Just a basic black short. And shoes I have on, who are these by? These are by Aerosols. Very comfortable. I'm sure they are. I was told we're going to be doing a lot of walking today when we go to the mall. So, as you can see, my shoes right there. Got a little ankle bracelet from a Pretty Little Thing with love on it on the side. And, of course, the old handy dandy Fitbit. I just have on my Tory Burch shades that I always wear. I was going to bring the black ones, but I forgot. Tory Burch shades are very huge, and they need a case. They need the Tory Burch case. I didn't feel like bringing it because it's real bulky. Today, on our outing, no wig right now, but I got my fade going. I couldn't bring my products because I had some oil products to put on my hair, but it's hot as hell down here, but I made it work. I made it work with what I got. So that's about it. Some regular little hoops from Walmart. Yeah. So everything I got on is manageable and affordable. Got your JCPenney shorts. You got your shirt from Etsy. I like a lot of the black power type shirts or t-shirts or whatever. So that's fine. And I'm taking my gym shoes also, just in case when we get to the mall. He says it's a huge mall, Sawgrass Mall. So we've been walking the mall, and I don't want my feet to start hurting. Because, So anyway, that's the fit for today. And you are watching It's Just K1. Please comment, like, and subscribe below. And happy August, babies. All the August babies. I celebrated my birthday yesterday. And I want to shout out to all the Leos. We still partying it, and we ready to bring it. So just stay tuned. I'll wrap a taste with you later.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Sunday night. I have no idea where this romper came from. I think it came from Fashion Nova, maybe. I'm not sure. It's old. It's just a romper. It's all one piece. It has pockets. And top it off with my short beach wave bob. Got the little earrings that I showed you the other day from Walmart. And then my little K necklace that I got from Pretty Little Thing. There it is. This has two necklaces to it. I'm just wearing the one. That's all. My Fitbit. And the famous shoes to get all the compliments. The aerosols, thick sole. I call them stick your foot in shoe. Very casual for Sunday night dinner. Don't want anything too heavy. We've been at the mall. I made my first luxury purchase, y'all, today. Thank you, Miss Modiva. Anyway, gonna be on budget to budget, y'all. September, October, November, December. Anyway, it felt good to treat myself, so that's all that was important. They had nobody to treat me. I treated myself, so I thank me. I pat myself. Happy birthday, Kay. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here, go get some food by the beach, walk on the beach, and that'll be it. This is my fit for dinner on a Sunday night. I'll wrap a taste with you later. Hey, y'all, good morning. It's Monday morning. We're going to head to the beach and get some pictures and some photos. I have on my Amazon swimsuit. This is a pink and black leopard or cheetah or something. It's basically, as you can see, it has the little openings here and it has the little openings on the sides. It's a one piece. Try to get it big. I don't have it pulled tight. I have on one of my mini wigs. This is the black one. I call it my sheer wig. Some little earrings, of course, Walmart. I think that's about it. I don't have any shoes, but I'm gonna put on some flip-flops. I'm gonna put on the cover up the cover, and then I have another outfit once we get there because I'm gonna change before we go eat. So this is the outfit. You'll see the whole ensemble at the beach. The back has a cutout, and you'll see all that at the beach. You won't see it now. I like this being a little bit too big than too tight. I'd rather it be that way. But it's cute. This is a swimsuit from Amazon. I think I showed you all before. So we're going to get it started. Happy Monday. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing fine. Blessings to everyone. And it's me. I'll see you later.